in heat can be stressful for both dogs. Keeping the male separate from the female and creating a relaxing, safe environment for both pups, if they live together, can help prevent them from getting physical with each other. Additionally, both dogs should be spayed and neutered to minimize unwanted breeding, reduce some types of cancers, and make their behavior better for pets. 2. Put the dogs in separate rooms on opposite sides of your home. If the two dogs live in the same household, place as much distance as you can between the male and the female, as the male can smell and sense the female. Shut both dogs in separate rooms as far from each other as you can manage in your home. Keep the door shut and try not to let either dog out at the same time so they are not around each other. Make sure there are no toys or items in the male's room that belong to the female, as they will contain the female's scent. Smelling the item can then cause the male dog to whine, moan, and scratch at the door. 3. Keep the female indoors and the male outdoors if space is limited in your home. If you do not have many available rooms or are tight on space, you can keep the female dog indoors in one room and have the male dog live outside until the female's heat is over. Make sure the outdoor area has a fence that will keep the male dog from venturing out of your yard. This is only an option if the weather outside is favorable and there are no local laws or ordinances in your area that prevent keeping dogs outside. Do not keep the female dog outdoors while she is in heat, as she may try to escape to find a mate. She may also attract male dogs in the area with her scent. 4. Board the male in a kennel until the female's heat is over. Though you can try your best to keep the dogs separate at home, you may not be able to control the male dog's aggressive behavior towards the female. If this is the case, it's best to board the male at an off-site location like a kennel. Keep the dog in the kennel for the female's entire heat, which can last around 3 weeks. You may prepare the male dog for boarding in a kennel by having him stay in the kennel for short visits to get used to the environment. You can then pre-book the kennel for the male dog so he can stay there while the female is in heat. 5. Put methanol spray on the female dog's tail to mask her smell. Vicks Vapor Rub or another methanol spray are good options, as they can overpower the female dog's scent during heat. Apply the spray several times a day to the female to keep the male calm when he is in the same home or area as the female. 6. Discourage the female dog from licking off the spray by distracting her with a toy or a treat while the spray dries. This can be irritating to your dog, so talk to your veterinarian before using it. 7. Play with both dogs separately during the female's heat. Keep both dogs entertained and distracted by playing with them separately. Put the female in a room with chew toys so she is occupied.